Hey there everyone, just a quick video today on our order of operations. A few things that we need to remember for order of operations is that we have these two special symbols. That's our addition and our subtraction, and these two are like our conjunctions in our sentences, our normal language arts sentences, but what they do is they divide up my sentence. So they split up that this is one thing, this is one thing, and that is the third thing. So they split them up into different sections, and that's really important to realize. The other thing that splits things up into different sections are my brackets. And remember, the brackets, what they indicate is they indicate that that is an entire thing. So here I have a square with side length of 5. I'm going to take away this whole thing. I'm going to take away 8 plus 7, so take away 15. Okay. A few examples. Let's just look over at these two examples for today's video. This one here, remember when I'm writing things out now, I want everything stacked up on top of each other. That shows me good structure. I have one sentence, one sentence, one sentence, and they each keep on getting simpler. This one here, I have 3, and then what do I have? I have 3, and then I have a square. I have a square with a side length of 5. Well, a square with a side length of 5 is a total of 25. And then I have another separation here, and then I have all of this together. All of this together is, of course, 8 plus 7 is 15. I can start to put these together. I have these two sections here. I have plus and a minus. So I have 3 plus 25, that's a total of 28, and then I'm going to take away 15. I'm going to have a result of 13 there. Moving on to a one over here, it's a little bit more complicated. What we really need to focus on is this one here. This subtraction is like my and then, and that's what separates my two parts, my and then. So this one here, I have a square that has a side length of 3 plus 5. So a square with a side length 3 plus 5, that means I have a square with a side length of 8. And then I'm going to take away, or I'm going to reduce that by all of this. All of this. Remember, this is not an and then. That's just division. So I split it up, or I share it. So I have 8 plus 7, which is 15. 15, which is split up into groups of 5. So I have a square of side length of 8, and I'm going to take away or reduce that square by 15, which is actually split up into groups of 5. So that means I have this here. This is 64. I'm going to take away, well, what's 15 split up into 5 groups? That's 3. So 64 minus 3, I have a total of 61. And there we go. We have our order of operations. We are solving things, understanding the conceptual idea of what these brackets, exponents, plus, minus, multiplication, and divisions are. Hope that helps you for tonight's homework. If you have any questions, drop me a line. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye now.